Morning guys, welcome to Monday's workout. For your buy-in, we've got a 9-minute EMOM. Minute 1, 4-inch worms, but I want you to walk your feet to your hands, not your hands back to your feet. Minute 2 is 10 kettlebell swings. Minute 3, 8 down-ups. So for your strength, we're going to work on snatch with a bit of core. We're going to do, for the first exercise, 3 snatch. We're going to do 1 snatch every 20 seconds for the minute. If you've got a barbell. If you've got a dumbbell, you're going to do 1 power snatch, 1 overhead squat. Same with the other arm, every 20 seconds for the 3 reps. We're then going to go into 8 to 10 Romanian deadlift in your snatch grip if you've got a bar. Otherwise, it's normal Romanian deadlift with a dumbbell or kettlebell. And then minute 3, we've got a core complex of 10 hollow rocks, 10 V-ups, a 10-second hollow hold, aim to go unbroken. Your workout is a hero workout called Tommy Mac. You've got 2 rounds for time, 12 burpees, 12 thrusters, 12 burpees, 12 power snatch, 12 burpees, 12 push jerks, 12 burpees, 12 hang squat cleans, 12 burpees, 12 overhead squat.